Hi, thanks for coming back to see my channel, Pete's Snakebite Kit. Like I said, I'm going to go through the different Cobra kit manufacturers out there and replicas and discuss them and kind of talk about the pluses and the minuses on them. And the one we're going to talk about today is ERA, they're in New Britain, Connecticut, and Unique, they're in Gadsden, Alabama. Both these guys make a pretty faithful replica of an AC Cobra. The ERAs are probably the most accurate between the two. Their website really discusses a lot of the things that they're very proud of on what a good job they did on making the car and keeping the car very accurate. They both are built with JAG IRS, independent rear suspension, which is kind of cool because the original cars had independent rear suspension. And that's a little more money if you're going that way. You can buy most kits, you can get them with an independent rear suspension or with a live axle, an 8.8 inch Ford rear end or 9-inch Ford rear end or something like that. The ones I like about, what I like about ERA, they actually have a spot on their website where they show you a bunch of different roll bars and how a lot of the manufacturers kind of miss it when they're setting up the roll bar and how it looks on the car. And I mentioned this before, it's because they want to make the car to be able to fit with a convertible top or a hard top on it. And that's sacrificing the look. I mean, the roll bar sticks out of the car like a sore thumb, and it is part of the car. A typical car where the roll bar, roll cage is all underneath the roof. You never see it, you don't know, you don't care, but a little different with the Cobra. Neither one of these use a round tube ladder frame like the originals. It's a rectangle box frame, very well made and a good rigid frame. I haven't driven either one of these. I understand they both ride very well. The JAG IRS, gives you that. So either one of these would make you a great kit. They've got fairly complete kits too, and they'll both sell them as a rolling chassis where the thing is all together. Of course, you're going up in price that way. What I wanted to do is put as much of it together as I could because I wanted to build a Cobra. That's obviously one of the things driving this. So I'll put their info up on my site where you can contact ERA, where you can contact Unique. If you like these things, I hope you build one of these and I hope you love it. Hey, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.